Hi, I'm Yogi Cecily, and I'm here to talk to you again about exercise equipment that you're going to use at home for your online exercise program. This is challenging for a lot of us because we want to save money at this time, but also we want to get equipment at home that's durable, lightweight, and easy to store, right? That's what you want. So exercise bands and tubing, that's what I've been talking about the last few times I've been with you. We looked at bands, and I want you to remember we did last time that just because bands are the same color doesn't mean they're the same gauge, resistance, length, and that you can do the same exercises with them. So here I've got the Perform Better, and that comes in heavy gauge, medium light, and light. And I recommended why not buy all of them, because you're going to be able to stow them away very easily and you'll have all of the gauges. But these are for short range exercises. They're not very broad. Then I talked about tubing. Tubing tends to come in a longer formula, and so therefore long range exercises. What I want to cover with you today is how to anchor the tubing. I've seen a lot of people getting hurt with tubing. So you want to anchor it around your foot, let's say, and I'm seeing a lot of people unfortunately do this. They put it on their foot, and then they're doing the exercise, and then their foot will flex or change and it'll snap back. And I've heard of people getting serious eye injuries doing that. Let me tell you what you want to do. It's shoelaces first, and then the bottom of the shoe. What do I mean? Put it on your shoelaces first, then come around the bottom of your shoe. And now that's nice and secure. That's what you want. You can point, you can flex, and it's not going to slip off. And if you're really not sure, go ahead and take it around another time, and it would be even more secure. That's the one you want. I can move my foot around, and it's anchored and secure. So what is the rule? Shoelaces first. All right, the other thing that I just want to cover today is the tubing without the handles. This is the tubing with the little plastic loops, and these are great because you can attach a handle or not. So this comes from a brand called, this is fitnesstraining.com. Resistancetraining.com. That's the company, resistancetraining.com. And you've got the handle with the caliper. It's going to come together, and then you can slip that on. So let's say I want to anchor my tubing on something else. I want to anchor it around something, but you can't do if you only have the tubing. If you only have the tubing and the handles, then you can't create a secondary anchor. So I anchored that on the bench here, and now I've got the tubing and the handle, and I can do whatever exercise I want because it's anchored onto the bench. So that's a nice option. If you just buy the tubing with the handles, that might not work. Now these came from Gold's Gym. Yep, and that might not work. So you might want to go with a brand that gives you more options with their tool. So that ability to add the handle or take it off, that's a great ability. All right, so you've got that. All right, I'll do one more installment of bands and tubing for you. Make sure you're getting the right equipment. Where can you find me? I'm Yogi Cecily on YouTube. I'm Cecily_Yogi on Instagram. I want to hear from you if you have questions.